Hailing from Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, now settled well in Ahmedabad, Gujarat for years, Dr. Ravi Rao is a humanitarian whose interest in the cosmic and human relationship drove him towards his path of astrology. Learning from various institutes like the prestigious Harvard University in the United States, Dr. Ravi Rao has done his research for over 20 years now, with a hope to make this world a better place with his knowledge, and to impart that knowledge, now he aims to open his doors to anyone wishes to benefit from the science of planets.
So a healthy nation will have a good sports, which is the crux of a healthy society. Since ancient times, Romans used to have horse racing, and elite members of the family in Rome used to bet on the horses. In the Europe and Western side, more football is more popular. In Australia and New Zealand also rugby is more popular. If you see how to understand sports, how to make a career, who can become best sportsman, who can reach top of their goals, you can be a scorer, you can be an umpire, you can be a batsman or a bowler, or even a sports coach or a sports manager. All these things have some planetary connections. I have come up with a methodology called sports astrology. The book is called Sports Astrology, starting with cricket and how the game is being analyzed, how the game is being played on the field, how its strategies are made on the dressing room. All these facets, through the planetary influence, I made a book which is called Sports Astrology. This subject of astrology, which is very new branch, which can open many avenues to a lot of people who are willing to make their career sports, which is most important, the crux of this book. You can read the book and get the benefit out of the methodology I have written after a long research. When any contest is there, whether it is individual game or a group game, there should be a neutral time. For instance, if it's a cricket, it's a toss time. We cast a horoscope of the toss time of the match, whether it is 3 hours match of T20 or it is a 6 hours match of a one-day international. That's the most important thing in the first place. Then the jersey number what they wear. Who are the batsmen, who are the bowlers, who is the captain. On the day they play the game, their jersey number, their jersey color versus their franchisee horoscope. Suppose if they're playing for a franchisee, we take the franchisee horoscope as the main horoscope. If it's a World Cup, we take country's horoscope as the main horoscope. By taking the planetary influence on the day and time of the match and the country horoscope versus the captain jersey number, the color on the day they play at a longitude and latitude, the city they play. All these factors play a dominant role, which will make the outcome of the match swing this way or that way. This analysis is very well written based on parameters, and you can read the methodology in my book. The book name is Sports Astrology, Inclusive Methodology. The details of the book are available in the description below.